How to fix screen won't turn on in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down, click on system and update, click on backup and reset, click on reset phone. Here you can see the option reset all settings. Click on it and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back and click on erase all data. Enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. Then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.